How to install HTML template in WordPress. Installing an HTML template in WordPress isn't as simple as uploading a zip file because WordPress themes require PHP-based structure and integration with WordPress functions. But don't worry, you can absolutely convert your HTML template into a WordPress theme with a bit of effort. So, to get started, you need to understand the structure of WordPress themes. WordPress themes are made up of specific files like style.css, index.php, header.php, footer.php, functions.php. So, once you have understand this, you need to prepare your HTML files. Before converting, make sure your HTML files are clean and organized. This includes separating CSS and JS into their own folders and ensuring consistent naming convention. After that, you need to create a basic WordPress theme folder. So inside wp/content/themes, create a new folder for your theme and then add style.css with theme info, index.php with your main HTML content, and functions.php to enqueue styles and scripts. Now after that, you need to split your HTML into WordPress templates parts. So break your HTML into header.php and everything before body, footer.php, everything after body, and then index.php as the main content area. Now enqueue CSS and JS properly. So use wp_enqueue_style and wp_enqueue_script and functions.php to load your assets. This ensures compatibility with WordPress standards. And then after that, go ahead and replace static content with dynamic WordPress functions. After that, go ahead and activate your themes. Once your theme files are ready, go to Appearance, Themes in your WordPress dashboard and activate your custom themes. You need to upload it first into this section. So that is how you can basically install HTML theme template in WordPress. So you cannot upload HTML itself. Instead, you'll need to break it into parts that fits WordPress standards.